Homographs are words that are spelled the same but mean something different as either a noun or a verb. Also, they are often pronounced differently. For example, minute and minute, very small, tiny. Here are some more examples. Do you polish your Polish furniture? He wound the bandages around the man's wound. In a second, they'll be second in line. The dove dove down to get the food. Mariah is going to record one more record. If you are in a desert, don't desert your dog or friends. We waited for the flower to flower, and all of a sudden, it did. The Hunger Games were televised live. Who will live? Who will die? Please excuse me. I really have no excuse. She aimed to be perfect, so she practiced to perfect her bow and arrow shooting. My pet cat likes it when I pet her. The Eiffel Tower towers over the city of Paris. He is upset over Chicago's upset over his team. What other homographs like these can you name? Let us know in the comments. Good luck learning English.